Hello everyone, I am Ebin Kadavi, Senior Technical Engineer for Oracle Solutions and SnapCenter. In our last video, you would have noticed how to perform faster and space-efficient Oracle database backups. In this demo, you will learn how to perform a quick restore of large Oracle multi-tenant database using NetApp Snapshot technology. Here are the list of databases that are registered with SnapCenter. For this demonstration, let me choose eBizProd, a multi-tenant database. Prior to this demo, I had already assigned a backup policy and had created a full backup, which is data plus log backup. Let's have a scenario where an anonymous user logs into the database and drops a table in the middle of this activity. Here is the critical production table named countries that has 21K records. Let's set the timer on and find out the exact time of the system. The table was dropped exactly at 16:59:23 seconds. This has seriously impacted the entire application with the downtime. Now let's go to SnapCenter and find out a snapshot for restore. Luckily, I have a backup that was taken 2 minutes prior to this event, that is 4:57 p.m. Let me select that for our restore. I'm having my restore scope as all data files and select the change database state for shutting and starting the database during restore. And finally, select the force in place restore for a quicker restore using NetApp Snap Restore mechanism. In the recovery scope, select until SCN, which is system change number, keeping default for the pre-ops. And in the post-ops, let me select the checkbox to open the database in read-write mode after recovery. Skipping the email alerts notification as I do not have SMTP configured. Here is the summary and click finish. The restore job got triggered and you can see a running job in the activity panel. Let's click on that and track the progress of the job. Yes, the job got completed in a matter of seconds. Let's go ahead and do a sanity check in the backend. Let's check the number of records in the countries table. Well, I can see 21K records, which means I was able to successfully restore the entire table. Thus, you have noticed how quickly you can restore and recover a large Oracle database in minutes using NetApp SnapCenter. Thanks for watching. For any questions or feedback, write tongsnapcenterfeedback@netapp.com. For more information about the product, refer to www.netapp.com.